I've been Googling, researching to find what people take for long distance bus journeys, and there have been a few videos and like a couple of blogs, but nothing quite what I wanted. So something I've been doing ever since booking our ticket is compiling a list. So I'm going to let you know more about how that goes and exactly what we buy, what we take, what worked, what didn't work. Because, you know, being frugal travellers, we're not going to get off at like a roadside place and spend, you know,
20 euros on a sandwich.
Exactly.
One of the really important things I think about travelling long distance is making sure you've got enough to eat. And I thought about it, and I was going to compile like a list of snack foods for our journey. And I thought, well, as soon as you say the word snack foods, to me that's crisps and it's, you know, popcorn and it's sweets and all that sort of stuff. So I thought, no, I'm going to try to work out something healthy that'll keep us going. It'll be nutritious for us, interesting, all that sort of stuff. So this is what we've bought today to take with us on our 46-hour journey. So first of all, we've got bread. Okay, the bread might be a little bit stale tomorrow. We'll see how we go. We might have it for breakfast and then just buy another loaf before we leave. And this is like just a packet of cheese. Now, fruit and vegetable wise, we've got a couple of tomatoes, carrots. The tomatoes might be a bit soft. They might have to get eaten sooner rather than later. But then you've got your carrots and your cucumber and oranges and apples. And I was thinking the carrots and the cucumbers, we can either dip them in the peanut butter, or we can have them with these lovely cheese triangles. We had a lot of these when we were travelling around Africa a few years ago, and we know that they last quite well out of refrigeration. These are mixed packets. I've never seen them before. It's like gorgonzola. Gosh, I wonder how that'll go. Type of mushroom. There's ham and mushroom. That'll be pretty cool. Now we've got salted peanuts. Unfortunately, Carrefour and brand, they didn't do non-salted, but oh well, make a bit of flavour. A couple of packets of cheap biscuits. These were like 95 bunny each and 57 bunny, I think. And in case we can't get to brush our teeth, there's some chewing gum. Now breakfast, I've thought about it and I thought breakfast biscuits. I've had them once before, not actually for breakfast, and they were okay, but they promise you energy for the whole morning. So we'll see how that goes. And then once we've finished the bread, then we can go on to crackers. Reduce salt, that's important, because we won't be carrying a lot of water with us. We'll be rationing our water, trying not to buy any in case it's quite expensive. So this is a price list for the drinks. It's actually quite reasonable. A litre of mineral water for €2. Not bad at all. So just remember, if you run out of drinks on the bus, make sure you've got some euros cash, because well, this bus at least they can't take cards, whether it be to pay for a ticket or to buy drinks. So we've got this nice big packet of crackers, which will go brilliantly with the peanut butter and the cheese. We've got, just for a treat to get you through, you know, the dark times, we've got dark milk, salted caramel milker, and because we're going to have eggs left over, I decided to hard boil 4 eggs. I know they should last about, I'm not too sure, 6 to 10 hours out of refrigeration. So I'll take those with us. So this is what I have for a 46-hour journey for 2 people, 2 adults. And we'll carry water with us. We're going to try not to buy food along the way, because we've noticed that when you stop at like a service station, etc., it tends to be slightly dearer, slightly overpriced, and not terribly good value. So that's why this is what we're going with. Let us know if you've got any other ideas, suggestions for our next travel, because I definitely want to keep working on this going forward.